I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. February the 19th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a day. Oh my goodness. Everything exploding. Triple roll not working at all. Check out my radio broadcast. We speak a lot about that. But again, we got hurt a little bit. Remember, the triple roll trade goes till 1, 2 in the morning. So, things are going not so bad at all. That sterling yen came in nicely in the early morning hours. So hopefully you took your trade on that and didn't get caught in the rally. And then in the morning, I got to tell you, we went long. Are you kidding me? The market was so broken out. How could you not be anything but long? The market was telling you it was going up. So anyway, check my premium members if you don't believe me. Go premium. Come into the room for a week. Ask my members. Anyway, euro dollar hourly chart broken out to the upside. This whole downtrend channel is busted. Busted. Again, this 126.50 level to me is a big spot. I think it's going to hold. I think the euro dollar is going up. To the moon, Alice. TTMA. Dollar yen, can I explain why dollar yen goes up? Listen, I made 60 pips in dollar yen today. I can't remember the last time I made 60 pips in dollar yen on the long side. On the long side. I mean, you know me. If you've been listening to me for a long time, you know I think dollar yen is the biggest freaking short. It's going to 80, maybe even 70. But, listen, the credit default swaps are predicting that Japan is going to be defaulting on their debt. What are these guys smoking? I don't get it. I mean, Japan has been saving. They have money in the mattresses. They're not underwater like every American. Half of America's underwater, meaning they're bankrupt. They're basically bankrupt. They owe more than they have. Half of America. Japan, I don't know what the figures are, but I promise you, 3/4 of Japan are net solvent. And they're going to default? Please. If anyone can handle a rate hike, not a rate hike, a tax increase, it's the Japanese to pay off any possible credit default. So this is so stupid. It's just creating a great opportunity is what it's doing. But are we going to fight it? No. Listen, if you know me, obviously when I see that shooting star, when dollar yen reverses and we got the reversal bar shooting star, I will be all over it. In your face. In 2 seconds. Like white on rice. No worries. But until then, pull, flag, pull. This was our poll this morning. Look, how could you fight this? How could you possibly fight this chart? Dollar yen, stock market's up 16 handles, right? The S&Ps are up 16 in the morning. But the biggest joke was that they opened up unchained or like flat. That was sick. Yet the carry trade didn't even come in. Crazy. Only at the Philly Fed with the big disaster. But again, how could you go against us? We went long, baby. Oh, I can't remember the last time I nailed a dollar yen on one of those explosions, but that was beautiful. Dollar yen going higher. Up there. Or to the moon, Alice. You know what that points to? 95. Hello. 95. 94.90. I mean, you want me to tell you why it's going up there? Technically, it's going to 90. It's broken out. Stop fighting it. Live to fight another day. What? The art of war. Come on. What's the art of war? I'm at war with dollar yen all the time. Through the carry trade or whatever. Sterling yen, euro yen. I trade those. And, so I'm backing off, baby. It's too hot. Dollar yen's too strong. Hey, if you can't beat them, join them. Sterling dollar hourly chart, beautiful pullback. Again, these pullbacks, obviously, do you buy them or are we going to have another leg down? This was a gap down here. But sterling dollar broke out again. Big level here. Obviously big level, 142.50. It's not closing above 143, which is what I would like to have seen. We have 20 minutes and it was getting close. It was really close. But I think cable at least makes a run for 144 again. And should retail sales be better than expected, just buy it with your eyes closed because we're going back to 145. Can you imagine? TTMA, to the moon, Alice. So sterling dollar on the hourly chart, as big of a violent pullback as it was, we'd really need to breach 142. You know, 142 would be today's lows, roughly. 142.04, right? That was last night in Asia. If it doesn't break that, I think it's okay. It was just a monster pullback. Monster. Euro sterling. Check out the daily on your own. Looks like a nice little hammer on the daily. Hourly chart is crossed to the upside when you ever get a chance to see it. 10, 20, 30. Oh, come on. There we go. 10, 20, 30 have crossed to the upside. Can you say wedge? Can you say breaking of a channel line? This looks awesome. To the moon, baby. Higher and higher. I don't know if it's going that much. You know, I'm getting a little carried away myself. Such a gorgeous day down here in South Beach today. I'm sorry. First, truly gorgeous beach day. I went to the dentist, but still had a couple hours for the beach. Man, I love it down here. Why I would ever want to come back to New York is insane. Never. My family and friends want me to come back. Not that I have any friends left in New York, because after so much time, they'll lose track. Anyway, Euro Yen. I have a lot of family in New York. I do. I'm in heaven down. Why would I ever want to come back? Never. Maybe if I get skin cancer, maybe I'll start skiing again. I haven't skied in 3 years. 2.5 years I have not skied. Planning a trip though soon. Planning a trip in March. Anyway, Euro Yen. Bullish. Pull. Flag. Pull. Hello. I think it's bullish. But I'll tell you what, we had big resistance here. We shorted. We did short it. We tried shorting it at 120.05. Yeah, nice little pullback. Chickened out on the trade. Bonk, bonk, bonk. I chickened out. I couldn't. It was too bullish. Look at this wedge breakout, baby. Listen, I think these things are going down, but why am I going to fight that? Why would you want to fight that wedge? To the moon, Alice. So, you measure the pullback. Where else are we going to go then? Oh, baby. Yep, 121. That's where we're going. 121. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Higher and higher, baby. We got to make a song. All right. Sterling yen, hourly chart. Another one that we said was broken out, but pull, flag, pull, explosion, pull back. 10, 20, 30, still cross the upside. Still look good. As long as 134, really, I'd say 134 holds. 134, big spot. You might even pull back a little bit here. You could even say 134.40 is a big spot. 20 exponential right there. That's a nice spot. Multiple support levels should 135.20 give way. Ooh. And as far as Asia tonight, I don't know. I really don't know. I just don't know. I can see Asia reacting to the U.S. being down 100 in a negative fashion. I can see Asia being up. We look at Aussie yen. It looks like sterling yen, doesn't it? Looks like euro yen. Reversal a little bit. All on the 10 o'clock number. All on the 10 o'clock. Look at that shooting star. Oh, I got one of my. I didn't recommend buying that. One of my guys was long it. I'm like 61.50 is huge resistance. That's what we got that. And again, do you Fibonacci? You're gonna pull. It's broken out. So should 60.50 hold? Should 60.50 give way? We go to 60. Other than that, it looks good. Listen, I want to move to Australia. With my strong dollar, I make money in dollars. I gotta be crazy not to move to Auslan. Surf with the surfers. Just like South Beach, I hear. And I got the reef, I go scuba diving. Half price. I know I'm in a weird mood today. Shoot me. Loonie yen. Looking good too. To the upside. Looks like that wants to go to 76.60. Andrew Spanton. Info at globalfxradio.com. Globalfxradio.com is my website. The only voice you'll ever need forex. Have a good night. Bye-bye.